Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Krypto from Superman. So first we're going to get started with the nose. And for the bridge of the nose, we're going to curve this around and then down on the side. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in at a point. And then from that point in the center, we're going to curve this back around and up on the right. Directly in the middle now, let's draw in a straight line coming down. From both sides now, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. And then now for the corner of the mouth, we're just going to draw in a small bracket, bringing that down. Let's move across and draw in the eyes. So on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll step across on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now on the top corner, on the inside, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then moving down on a diagonal, we're just going to replicate that, making that even smaller. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to curve this around and down. And then now let's just close off the head. So starting directly up above, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that down on the right. Leaving a small gap now, we're going to curve this around and then in, just towards the bottom of our eyes. Let's draw in some of the fur now. So we're going to curve this out, back in from that point. Again, starting from that point, we're going to curve this down and up. Directly in the center now for the chin, let's draw in a curved line, bringing that around, and then closing off the side, starting underneath, we're going to connect that towards that point. Now let's draw in our ears. So we're going to start on the top, bringing this line over, down, and out. Starting from that point on the side, curving this down and in. And then again from here, just curving this line back down towards the side. Now we're going to start from that point, curving this line out, in, and then connecting that towards the corner on the inside. And then closing off the inside of the ear, we're just going to draw in another curved line as we come down. Now let's draw in our body. So we're going to start for the collar first, and we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. In the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming in towards the chin. Now we're going to draw in the badge in the center. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we're going to join that together with another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. Now on the bottom, let's draw in a diagonal line coming up and then back out. And then we're just going to close that off with a slight diagonal line on the side. Now let's move up and over on the right, bringing this line up. Small line coming up towards the top. We'll bring this line up on a slight diagonal. And then again, bringing this line down and then in on the corner. Now let's draw in the leg. So coming directly down in the center, we're going to curve this line in on both sides, leaving a small gap. And then we're just going to connect that together with a curved line. Now on the right-hand side, let's arch this line around and then in for the paw. Moving over, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then closing off the side of the body, just arching this around and then in towards the collar. Now let's draw in the back paws. So we're going to curve this around and then in. And then again, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines coming in towards the center. And we'll do that again as we step further in towards the middle. Now for our back legs, we're going to curve this around and then down. And then lastly, we just need to draw in the cape. So starting on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this out, down, and then up. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and through towards our back leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Krypto from Superman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.